Hi there. So I'll be taking you on a tour and showing you our product GreenBii. So this is the landing page, and we're going to sign in using this test account to give you the tour. So landing right on the dashboard, you have access to your data room, and you can store your files and your contacts, but most especially your files, and put them in folders and shelves, and you can integrate with Google Drive, right? So after that, you have your apps manager, your apps page. This is where you manage all your apps and websites, and you can manage them. I mean, you can remove, you can scale up, you can scale down, you can deactivate, and you can reactivate apps that you feel you need. So I'm going to activate this app, tenant management application, and you see that it will, on my apps page, it appears there, right there. It has come back, and I can start using it. So you can add apps. How you get these apps? You can get them from the app market. The app market stocks all kinds of apps in different categories. You can check out apps, check out the description, read reviews, watch a short demo. Just know about the app, and then check the pricing and add it. And this app is added to your dashboard, or you might as well check out bundles of applications that will put together. Say you're a school and put together a couple of applications that will feel you need as a school, and you can still customize it as you feel, add more apps to it, and just select through the list. After you make your choice, you are yeah, so you can select, add as much, but just customize it as you wish depending on what your school does. And yeah, you can also add existing websites, and yeah. So on the users part, you can create roles, depending on what your company does. So I'm going to add a new role here. I'm going to add a new role, and I'm just going to call it salesperson. This person is going to be in charge of the inventory. So I'm going to give the person access to files and inventory application, and giving the access of a salesperson. So yep. So I save this role, and I can add the person to it who I want to control this role. The person has to be a member of my team, of course. And I'm adding the person's email, because the person's going to get an invitation, and will create his password and starts to use as a salesperson. So there it is. You see my activities I just performed is there on the dashboard. One of the most important integrations we did is integrating with this learner development apps. One of the important apps on the app suite. It's on the app market as well. Businesses can use this for internal training. You get your own URL that is customer facing or your team facing. Customize that, the UI which they will use to log in and access your content. So you can create different kinds of content, single content or course content, and it's available for them. So these are the subscribers are basically your team members, or who's going to be learning those things. You can also buy courses from professionals from the course marketplace. So essentially, that is it. That is it. It's very useful app used by for internal training. If you're a business coach or facilitator, you can also find this very, very handy for yourself. All right. So let me just show how it will look for your learners to access it. So on your URL, they're able to access it from there. It's the same way the other apps will also work, like the inventory app. You just launch it and use it, depending on who's assigned to use that application. All right. There it is, going to be a short demo. You can get as much different applications and just enjoy your time, work across your teams efficiently. Thank you.